Hi, Assalamualaikum. My name is Nur Izzatul Najihah binti Zainal. My matrix number 02DSK19F1051 and I'm from class DSK 3B.
Hi, Assalamualaikum. My name is Nur Atika Natasha binti Roslan. My matrix number is 02DSK19F1041 and I am from DSK 3B.
Hi, my name is Nur Najihah Akhlili binti Azmi. My matrix number is 02DSK19F1025. I'm from DSK3B.
Okay, so this is a cover letter. A business proposal cover letter is simply a sales letter, and the purpose here is to sell your products or service. Grab the reader's attention, get them interested, make them desire your product or service, and last but not least, have them take action. Okay, now this is a cover page. The cover page of a business plan is used to give an overview of all the key information of your business. This includes your company name, logo, address, and any other information that may define your business.
Heaven of Choco Enterprise provides quality chocolate services. The main objective are to become the main chocolate service provider in Pahang and as a source of reference for Bumiputra entrepreneurs in the same field. There has been a need for chocolate services in Taman Pandan Jaya for a long time, which prompted me to develop this business. The company plans to offer quality of chocolate services at competitive price. Our company will be located in a housing area in Taman Pandan Jaya. Our business will serve the families residing there, specifically working person, students, and housewives. Currently, there is little competition in the same category as Heaven of Choco Enterprise in this area. We plan to take full advantage of our business location by reaching out to the current residents in the area. Heaven of Choco Enterprise will operate 5 days a week under experienced management headed of our manager. The company will have 2 experienced workers perform their performance and embroidery tasks. We also plan to hire a finance manager and a manager of operational in future. This document will demonstrate the need for business such as this is Taman Pandan Jaya and easy chance for success. It will serve as a roadmap that will set the course for the planning and for the implementation process.
This is table of content. Our name of business is Heaven of Choco Enterprise. This business offers food service to everyone including an adult, kids, and especially chocolate lover. Food service is a business of making all kinds of foods that can be eaten by everyone based on their lifestyle demands or to fit a particular purpose. Nowadays, chocolate is not easy to make and serve because they have various of flavor and the sweetness was different. Once the business is financially stable, I plan to extend this business so that many know about my business in other areas. At the conclusion, the business has a good future prospects by fulfilling the needs of our customers such as students, working people, and family from all areas.
Okay, right now, move to the purpose of business plan. The primary purpose of a business plan is to establish your plans for the future. These plans should include goals or milestones alongside detailed steps of how the business will reach each step. The process of creating a roadmap to your goals will help you determine your business focus and pursue growth. Which is our business plan is prepare as a guide for managing the proposed business venture in chocolate. In preparing the business plan, we have listed down the plans and strategies in order to achieve the company's goal. This business plan is also obtain a working capital loan from Mara for an amount Rm 20,000 ringgit Malaysia. Okay, right now let's move to our business background, which is our business name is Heaven of Choco Enterprise, and Heaven of Choco Enterprise is a partnership company. Our company is located at Lorong 30, Taman Pandan Jaya, Jalan Bypass 25150, Kuantan, Pahang. And our company's number, you can give a call 0382113883. And if you have any inquiries, just email us at heavenofchoco@gmail.com. Heaven of Choco Enterprise is our main dish provides chocolate and snacks. The date of commencement is 1st July 2020 and the date of registration is 16 September 2020. Heaven of Choco Enterprise registration numbers is K698004 and our initial capital is RM 10,000 ringgit Malaysia. Alright, so let's move to the owner background. Because we are a partnership company, we have 3 members for owning this company. The first member was me. My name is Nur Izzatul Najiha binti Zainal. I'm from Meru Kelang, Selangor. I am 22 years old and I'm married. Well, my academic qualification was in diploma in business management. Also, I used to attend 3 courses, which is Seminar on Managing Business in 2018, Forum on Entrepreneurship in 2018, and Seminar on Baking Chocolate in 2017. My skill was baking and create new recipes, and I'm used to work as a part-time seller at chocolate factory. So I have done a bit of revision about how to make a chocolate. And last but not least, I was the manager of this company. Okay, now the second members was Miss Nur Atika Natasha binti Roslan. She's from Kuantan, Pahang, and she was 22 years old too. Also married, okay? And she's developed diploma in business management. Miss Atika used to attend seminar in food processing in 2019, forum in food ingredients in 2018, and seminar in making chocolate in 2017. Her main skill was baking, and she is also a businesswoman. Well, Miss Atika is the head of operation management. And the last owner of Heaven of Choco companies was Miss Nurul Najiha Akalili binti Azmi. Well, she is from Putrajaya, Selangor. Also, she is 22 years old and married too, okay? Her academic qualification was she had master in accounting. She also used to attend seminar in baking chocolate in 2017, seminar in financial 2017, forum on entrepreneurship in 2018, and forum on business management in 2019. Well, she's do accounting for sure. Baking and created a new recipe like me. She used to work as a part-time seller in chocolate factory too. And Miss Nurul Najia Akalili was the head financial management.
Heaven of Choco Enterprise is located at Lorong 30, Taman Pandan Jaya, Jalan Bypass 25150, Kuantan, Pahang. Generally, the premise is a shop house situated in a housing area with many facilities nearby. Since the premise is a commercial business premise owned by Mara, the rent is lower than market rate. Expenses for the rent cost about 400 per month. We get the raw materials from suppliers around the Kuantan area. Our main supplier is from Shuhadas Choco House, which Tamantas, Kuantan. The suppliers always guarantee that the materials are not faulty and finest quality ingredients. Since the business is not require skilled workers, is it open to anyone who was interested in becoming the Heaven of Choco agent. I plan to expand further to hire more agents in other areas and other states. Customers can reach our premise by any vehicles such as car, motorcycle, and bikes. The location is also convenient for our supplier to deliver the raw materials because they buy with supplier's house. Our premise is located 200 meters from the nearest schools and 300 meters from housing area. Our premise is really located center of housing area, which makes it very easy to customer come to our premise frequently when they feel carry our Chocoja. Our premise is complete with electricity, water supplies, internet connection, telephone lines, and also Wi-Fi. These basic amenities are provided to all workers to perform their job efficiently, productively, and perfectly. Organization, management, and administration plan. This is our logo of the business, Heaven of the Choco. One taste is all it takes. Our company vision is to become a famous and successful company Heaven of Choco in Malaysia, to make the best, delicious, and marvelous chocoja in Malaysia. Our company mission, we are passionate about the art of chocolate making, and we are continually striving to create a perfect premium chocolate that will put a smile on our customers' face. We will continue to use nothing but the finest quality ingredients and implement strict operational procedures to ensure that the chocolates produced are perfect. Our company objective to give our customer the best quality customer chocolates, to gain the higher market share in the industry and also achieve monthly profit target.
The organizational chart of our company is pretty simple given that its content only level of management and number of employees may be increased. This is the manager, this is the head of financial management, and this is the head of operational management. Let's move to manpower planning. Heaven of Chocoja Enterprise has one manager and two members to manage and execute the operation of the business. Each position has one number in personnel. Next, schedule of tasks and responsibility. First, responsibility for the manager. He must monitor all activities carried out by staff and plan the strategy of business. Second, our head of operational management needs to know how to attract customers and also increase their working skills. Then, for the head of operational management, he needs to be accountable for the overall performance and the business and monitor the outflow and inflow of company profits. Remuneration plan. For our company, we have chosen the EPF scheme to be given to all employees in Heaven of Choco. For the salary, under the manager is RM 1,000 for every month. For the EPF, only 20% and 2% for SOSO. This is important because it is an old age saving and in case the employee had accident or so ever. Every employee has to work at least 8 hours per day, which is from 9 a.m. to 5 p.m. We also provide medical allowance and female employees are entitled to 16 days maternity leave for every confinement period. Our company also gives bonus, compensation and benefit to employees based on their performance. And not forget, also holiday and sick leave also will be given based on the reasonable reasons only. Heaven of Choco Enterprise has bought office equipment and supplies such as machine to carry out the process of making the chocoja.
Administrative budget. As indicated in the table BP 2.6, the administrative budget includes rent, water, electricity, and telephone bills, transportation costs, and clerical and promotion costs. Table BP 2.6 Administrative expenditure. as shown in the screen. Alright, let's move to the marketing plan. Well, Heaven of Choco is involved in the food industry. We believe that our country's economy, which is expanding positively, play its part in the development of Heaven of Choco enterprise. With the increasing number of new various food, Heaven of Choco enterprise is take disadvantage of this development by offering food services and by coming out with high quality services and unique flavors that can suit everyone. We are sure that our business will be able to compete with other competitors in Kuantan, Pahang. Description of products and service. Table BP 2.7 describe the products and services offered by Heaven of Choco enterprise and the price of rate of each product or service, such as Choco Jar in flavor strawberry, chocolate, white chocolate, pandan, white strawberry, and blueberry with the price Rm13 ringgit. Each flavors only. Target market. The target market of Heaven of Choco enterprise is comprised of the social media through Instagram and Facebook, school area Kuantan, and workers in the government in Kuantan, Pahang. Okay, let's move to the market size. Market size is calculated to be 8,000 ringgit Malaysia from the areas listed below with a rough estimation of 100 ringgit 50 ringgit Malaysia per month to buy or order Choco Jar. This will give a rough monthly income of 1,200,000 ringgit. Area we serve such as Kampung Cendereng, Sungai Isap, Taman Tas, Bukit Rangin, Permatang Badak, and Kampung Pandan. Okay, while the factories located in the area, Kicap Sentosa Sendirian Berhad, Isi Sawit Semambu, Sandarwi Industrial Sendirian Berhad, Meiki Sendirian Berhad, MDD Beverage Sendirian Berhad, and Jasmine Food Corporation Sendirian Berhad. School located in the area such as Sekolah Kebangsaan Pandan, Sekolah Menengah Kebangsaan Pandan, Sekolah Menengah Kebangsaan Sungai Isap Murni, Sekolah Permatang Badak, and Sekolah Kebangsaan Fakih. Let's move to the competitors, which is we're going to discuss about strength and weaknesses. It is very important for Heaven of Choco enterprise to identify our competitor. Competitors refer to other businesses that offer similar product or service. Based on the market survey done earlier this year, we found that there are 4 competitors of our businesses, which are Choco Jar Double Topping, Crunch Fruit Crowd, Choco Crispy Meleleh Sendirian Berhad, Choco Jar Meleleh Sendirian Berhad. Table 2.8 shows the strengths and weaknesses of the competitors. You can see the table as shown in the screen. Okay, let's move to the market share. The target market for the business is for mainly by working parents and family with school-going children. We are not able to identify the actual market share for our business as the data is ambiguous. However, we have taken our market share as 5% of the number of population in the age of 7 until 30 years old who live or work in the area listed in 7.3 as shown in Table BP 2.9. Table BP 2.9 market share after the entry of Heaven of Choco enterprise as shown as below. Okay, now let's move to the sales forecast. Our sales forecast for 3 consecutive years shows in table BP 2.10.
This is our criteria description for our marketing strategy. The first one is product strategy and service strategy. We ensure that the products offered to the customer are high of quality. The second thing is pricing strategy. The product and services we offer are reasonably and affordable to the customer. We also set the price artificially low to get market share quickly. The second thing is location strategy. The location of our business is very strategic because it is located near to housing areas and several primary and secondary schools, which means easier to customer for coming to our place business. And lastly, promotion strategy. Our promotion will be done by flyers, business cards, and also brochures to attract the local market. We do not forget to provide free sampling and leave the tester of our product Chokoja to decide on buying the products to develop trust among our customers. The marketing budget is mentioned as part of our administrative expenditure as shown in table BP 26. The objective of our operational plan are as follows: to ensure the operations or business is achieve the target in short term and run smoothly, to ensure the products and services are of high quality that can attract more customers and give them satisfaction, to fulfill their expectation toward our ability, to further increase sales and achieve the target in the share market, to ensure our business is more successful in the future. Our business is open for 12 hours a day, starting from 9 a.m. until 9 p.m. every Monday to Saturday. Every Friday and Sunday, we will close. This is our operational layout of Heaven of Choco Enterprise. And this is the operational process of our business is illustrated by figure BP 2.2. The premise of Heaven of Choco Enterprise has all amenities such as electric supply, Wi-Fi, water, air conditioning, and telephone lines. The building is located in a housing area, which means have facilities such as roads and public transportation such as bus stop and taxi are readily available. The permanent assets and required items of Heaven of Choco Enterprise are shown in table BP 2.12.
Next, estimation of purchase for 3 years. Our total purchase for 3 years is 5,879, which is 1,640 for the first year and 1,985 for the second year and 2,254 for the third year. It covers all the materials used to make the product. Quantity and cost material for a month is 366 and Rm 150 for packaging. Heaven of Choco Enterprise will obtain from a few shops such as Aisha Bakery and food supplier. Okay, let's move to our financial plan. This is for administrative expenditure and this is for marketing expenditure and for operating expenditure. Total sales of projection in year 1 is 47,120. For second year is 70,418 and 90,269 in total year 3 of purchase. Purchase projection in total year 1 is 50,700 and for second year is 70,800 and the third year is 19,800. Cash collection for sales and cash payment of purchase is 100. Increase of working capital is 5%. Rate of testing year 1 to year 3 is increased. This is project for implementation cost and this is source of finance.
Okay, now let's move to the conclusion. Based on the planning and projection of income and expenses, the company is very confident that this business venture will create a satisfactory return on investment from the second year of operation. For the first year, we are estimating to incur a very minimal loss as we have made a conservative estimate of sales and expenses based on the fact that the company has just started the operation. The business will continuously perform the business strategy, especially on the marketing aspects, to ensure that the business is well known to the customer, and we hope to build a loyal customer base in the second year of operation. And finally, that is from our group. So thank you for supporting us and keep supporting Heaven of Choco. Don't forget to follow our Instagram and our Facebook too, Heaven of Choco. Thank you. Bye.